Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make these little flowers in two sizes. This is a marigold flowers. The marigold flowers hold deep significance in Mexico, especially in the context of the Day of the Dead, one of the country's most important traditions. These flowers, with their bright orange or yellow color, are considered symbols of life and death. You can make these flowers with the yarn and color that you prefer. In my case, I will use Eulalie brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn. It's about 1 millimeter and has 4 threads. With this yarn, I will use 1.5 millimeters hook, and the colors that I'm using is mango. But you can use whatever orange or yellow color yarn that you prefer. Remember, if you use another yarn, you need to select the correct hook, and maybe the size of your flower will be different. Also, we need a wool needle, and that's it. It's all that we need. I'm already made 50 flowers. We will use these flowers on the next project. At the end of this video, I will show you a little about that project. And also I will show you two sizes, small and little bigger flower. Then let's start making the small flower. And we will start with a slip knot and 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11 and 12. I'm sorry, 12. Then after 12 chains, we will start in the chain number 3, making 1 half double crochet. And in the next chain, 1 slip stitch. After that, we will repeat 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 half double crochet on the same base, and 1 slip stitch on the next chain. And we will continue repeating exactly the same until finish all the chains. When you finish the last repetition, you can make 1 chain just for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for form the flower. Now using a wool needle. Then pay close attention, it's easy and you can see how to do that. For the bigger flower, the same color yarn, but this time starting with the slip knot and 16 chains. 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now starting on the chain number 4 from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we will make 1 double crochet. And in the next chain, 1 slip stitch. After that, we will repeat 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the base of the last slip stitch, 1 double crochet, and in the next chain 1 slip stitch. Just continue repeating exactly the same, 4 chains and later 1 double crochet and 1 slip stitch in the next chain until finish all the chains. And I'm already made another one. Then now I will show you a little what is the next project that we will have on this channel. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end.